In this video I'm gonna show you 10 steps to become a hacker, so stay tuned. What is going on everyone? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn ethical hacking or you just want to learn how to secure yourself on the internet, then click the subscribe and notification button. This video is for educational purpose only. Unauthorized hacking is a crime. Do not indulge in such acts. Number 1. Learn networking concepts. Computers use a set of common communication protocols over digital interconnections for the purpose of sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. Understand how these networks are created because most modern computer networks use protocols based on packet mode transmission. Protocol stack is HTTP, the World Wide Web Protocol, running over TCP over IP, the Internet protocols. Communication protocols have various characteristics, so you must have the knowledge of these protocols to exploit vulnerabilities in a system. Understand the local area network, LAN, wide area network, WAN, virtual private network, VPN, and many other forms of network. Also, you need to learn the concepts of firewall because it's also a network for controlling network security and access rules. Number 2. Learn programming. Programming is something you have to learn in your journey of being a hacker. It's all about building a computer program to perform a computing task. It is commonly referred to as coding. Most, if not all companies have a software or a website that was programmed by a programmer. This software or websites can have vulnerabilities in its codes. A hacker can then use those vulnerabilities found in the code to exploit the software. Number 3. Learn Linux. Linux is an operating system and is a playground for hackers because it has tools a hacker needs to perform some basic attacks. Linux is open source Unix-like operating systems based on the Linux kernel, which provides better security to computer systems. It was first developed in 1969, at AT&T's Bell Labs. It has helped a lot in the world of security. Popular Linux distributions include Debian, Fedora, and Ubuntu, but there are commercial distributions like Red Hat Enterprise Linux. The source code can be used, modified and distributed commercially or non-commercially by anyone under the terms of its respective licenses. Without learning Linux, it's impossible to be a hacker. Number 4. Learn cryptography. As a hacker, you might encounter an encrypted network or system which will prevent you from initiating an exploit. So to be a successful hacker, you are urged to master the art of cryptography. Encryption and decryption is widely done in several aspects of information security. Information security such as data confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, and non-repudiation are central to modern cryptography. You will encounter cryptography over and over again during your career as a pen tester, IT engineer or security manager. Number 5. Learn more than one operating system. There are different operating systems, both commercial and open source. Apple has its own operating system, which is the Mac OS, which is in second place with 13.23%. It comes on all its products. Linux is on the third place but has gained popularity among hackers because the Linux kernel code is available for study and modification. Knowing how each operating system works can help improve proficiency while hacking. Number 6. Experiment a lot. Learn to experiment that which you studied for. It helps to improve a skill in the shortest time possible. Learn to go the extra mile in your journey as a hacker. Attend conferences, experiment and gather as much info you can. This will help you to understand the flaw in a system better. Experiment on new hacking tools or new type of security vulnerabilities. That way, you will be always updated on new security flaws. Number 7. Contribute to open source projects. This helps you know the technology at a much deeper level. Contributing to such project deepens the understanding of the project, that way improving your skill as a hacker. An open source security project helps you to learn new ideas from the community. This also helps you gain a much deeper knowledge about the software. Number 8. Code in C language. C is a general-purpose, procedural computer programming language supporting structured programming language. Linux was rewritten in C language, so this makes it easier to modify its codes. Number 9. Participate in bug bounty and CTFs. Website and software developers are rewarded for reporting bugs, especially bugs that pertain to security and vulnerabilities. Finding these bugs helps sharpen a hacker's skills. CTFs are events that are usually hosted at information security conferences, and it consists of a series of challenges that vary in their degree of difficulty, and that require participants to exercise different skill sets to solve. CTF's tasks are often based on vulnerabilities that give you a chance to experience how it's done and better prepare you to defend your own systems or network from these types of attacks. CTFs are a great opportunity to learn hacking. Number 10. Be open to new ideas. Learn to try new things, and always consider new ideas. Be receptive to a wide variety of ideas and information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.